Okay, this is Jah-Jireh, and here sitting next to me is my other half. I am here to tell you about Jah-Jireh product. I have been sick with high blood pressure for over 30 years. And on that account, it led to heart problem, and also I end up developing water in my lungs. I have been admitted to the hospital, been to several doctors, have been taking medication for over 30 years. And I've been like on a scale of up and down. Sometimes I'm a little bit better and sometimes I'm worse. There's always complication. But I want to say thank God for leading me to these two products. I've been introduced to this doctor by a friend of mine. When my other half was sick, I called him in and we spoke. And after I got his number, and a friend of mine, actually a family of mine, she was diagnosed with cancer. I gave her number to him, and he started to treat her, and she's doing fine. So, and I'm here feeling very sick, the medication not helping me. So I remember that I had his number. I picked it up and I dialed him, and we spoke. And I wasn't even looking for him on that day, but in the night I heard a little peep 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 outside, and then when I look, I saw him. Yeah, he came in. I was on my bed, like I was like hooked up, because I wasn't able to move around. The lungs were giving me hectic pain. I had like, I feel like something rests on my chest that wouldn't go away. I have this pain that is going through me, like from my lungs, from my chest straight to my lungs, my back. It was so discomfort, and it was very, very painful. It also gave me a terrible breathing problem. I was not able to go up and down my staircase, because when I do, I couldn't breathe. I could hardly even move from the bedroom to the bathroom. I couldn't do just about anything at all. I was really, really sick. And come to think of it, as I'm saying, I thought I would die. I didn't thought I would be here right now, telling my story and giving my testimony, and thanking God for working through Jah-Jireh to help me. But I can tell you, these two products, lung detox, and this is a lung detox, and it is a heart Vita. These two products is what helped me to be sitting here right now. Everyone around me was so sad. He cried. I looked in his eyes. I saw the tears. My son, he would go down to cry at night. He said that he prays for me every night. Also, I have another son. Both sons were not here, and they were very worried. I mean, a lot of people were worried. People came to look for me, and believe me, they cried. Also, I had this huge tummy that looked like I was maybe 30. People are pregnant for 9 months, but mine looked like it was 30, because it was huge. So and now, this is the result of it. This is the result of the tummy. The tummy was like out here, and this is it now. I can fit in anything right now. I was so scared to even go out, because I became so sensitive of my tummy, because people keep on asking, are you pregnant, and stuff like that. And when people ask if you're pregnant, they're expecting you to have a baby, but time comes and time goes, and I am still. But I just want to say to each and every one of you who are out there and you're having a medical issue, just give Dr. Jah-Jireh a try. You will be okay. I tell you that. I am. And I am a living testimony. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank God. Every word that my wife speak right now is so true, because I was here. She was so sick. All the doctor medication, what she had and take, it couldn't help her one bit. And God is so good that as this doctor came into her life and started to treat her, I'm a living witness can say every word that she said. It is so true. Jah-Jireh Herbal medication
God
is so
bless
very
my
good.
dear.
I can introduce
Wow.
each and every person to it who who also sick with this kind of problem and any other kind of health problem. Just check Jah-Jireh. He can help you. Thank God for him, and I give thanks to this man each and every day. Thank you very much, Doc, that God put you into our life, and your medicine is 1,000,000% helping my wife. Thank God. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome, man.